ASUS and Chrome OS devices provide manufacturing business a more efficient supply chain with cloud tools. ASUS and Chrome OS devices are powerful, durable, versatile, and offered in a wide range of form factors and features, supporting frontline workers in different roles and lowering total expenses with reduced acquisition and operational costs. Parallels Desktop for Chrome OS provides frontline workers access to legacy applications from outside vendors. By consolidating data signals from tools across the Google Cloud portfolio, companies can gain insight into production planning, customer needs, and other business processes, which optimizes internal and external communications and supply chain management. With Privacy Shield and comprehensive connectivity, ASUS and Chrome OS devices are flexible, scalable, and secure. With Wi-Fi 6, frontline workers can easily connect with customers through video conferencing seamlessly and stay connected to information on the floor. Zero-touch enrollment simplifies the deployment process, so IT doesn't have to enroll the devices manually, as it will automatically be enrolled into the corporate domain. Their cloud profile, with apps, settings, and policies, are downloaded automatically. Manufacturing workers can get started immediately with ASUS Chrome OS devices on different devices without being restricted by equipment. With lightweight and long battery lives, ASUS Chrome OS devices provide real-time access to data on the floor and important communication in the office. ASUS and Chrome OS provides manufacturing business a seamless workflow and better collaboration.